This is my favorite way to tape if I'm targeting the psoas. So there's no way to directly tape the psoas. It is on the underneath side of the spine. Whenever we do that myofascial release, obviously we're reaching up on the inside of the hip flexors and reaching it from that way, but tape's not sticking from that direction. I have the most success with this application, I believe, because I'm addressing the quadratus lumborum, the medial glutes, all of these muscles that are compromised if the psoas is clamped down, then all of these other muscles are compensating for that as well. And so I have a really good reaction to this application. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start my measurement about here, all the way down to about even with the tail head. And I need 4 of those that are the exact same length. And now that I have my 4 strips, I will start placing them. I prefer to stand behind him, but my belly's too big right now. So by the time we add in the mass of his butt and the mass of my belly, there's not enough room. So I'm going to stand at the side right here. So I'm going to try to find my symmetry mark about where it is on the spine, so I can keep track of that for myself. About like that. Pull my backing off down to my second anchor. Trying to keep it symmetrical. And then the second piece will go just in front of this. Pull my backing all the way down to my second anchor. Set this down. Let me get this started on this side. Now come back to the other side and lay the rest of this down. The femoral nerve is also innervating the quads. So starting right here at about your flank area and then drawing a straight line back to your tail head direction, that will be the area of your quads. I do like to put just about that much on the inside and scoop it up. So it's almost like a capital J. About like that. And then just sitting that down. Oops, massage that wrinkle out there. There's the application for your femoral nerve, innervating the psoas and the quads.